Hi guys, good afternoon. Ito ang maliit kong garden. Hindi ko na nataniman kasi sobra nang busy. Ito na lang siya naiwan. Green onion. And this is my flower. I'm here now in 8th floor. So you can see the 101 there. That 101, I'm here in 8th floor to clean up the balcony. So this is my small garden. But I'm not planning yet because I need to remove the brush. Then I plan to make okra, to plant here okra or eggplant. But now I have a green onion only. Last month I have a petchay, but I already harvest. So only this left. See, there is already flower. But you can see here in 8th floor, the 101, the flag of the Taiwan. Yes, before there is a mall, but he's making broke. Maybe they build again or some home. I don't know. See, 101. Let's see. And this is the flower. This is the flower of Taiwanese people. I don't see my aloe vera. It's already grown. This is the atchal in Bisaya, and English sweet pepper or bell pepper, or Taiwanese conversation or stoplight, because there is a yellow, red, and green. In Bisaya is atchal. Yan, may ano lang, hinayaan ko na lang to siya para mag-eat ang bird. Kaya ayan siya nag-ano. Ayan. Hayaan ko na lang to siya. Yan, yung buto niya. Sa buwag ko lang na diya. You know, may na-left pa na pechay, kaya lang wala na to. Tapos yung tinanim ko na ano, na aloe vera. Hindi ko siya masyado tong malagaan kasi ano, ang dami kong trabaho. Ngayon, pupunta na naman ako sa bahay ng matanda, sa mama ng babae. Doon na naman ako maglilinis. So, hindi ko talaga maalagaan tong mga flowers. Ito, binabad ko muna siya sa tubig. Ayan. Para ano, may kiti-kiti. Ayan siya. Wala kasi siyang ano dito, yung bunot. Sa Bisaya, bunot ng niyog. Para doon yan ilagay ang ano, orchid. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng konting tubig para yan. So, yan. Diyan siya, building yan, office. Lahat yan. Layo ng bundok. Doon na yan. Hindi ko na yan alam dyan banda, basta ano. Yan lang, 101. Makikita mo dito. Ano lang, 15 minutes from here. to going 101. Magbabas. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and make a bell button and put the all. So, mapanood niyo lahat at support. Thank you. Bye-bye.